Hi, HAI friends. Tony here at the 2020 HAE International Virtual Global Conference. Now, we're making our way to pay a visit to the conference exhibit booth of our gold sponsor, CSL Behring. Now, as we walk up to the booth, I can see that CSL's Global Medical Affairs Therapy Area Lead for Immunology, Dr. Andrew Koenig, is here to speak with us today. Hi, Dr. Koenig.
Hi, Tony. Thanks for stopping by.
Well, thanks for opening CSL's Virtual Global Conference booth to us and for giving us the opportunity to ask the type of questions that we know that our HAE International friends would ask when stopping by your booth. So to kick it off, CSL Behring has a long-standing presence in the HAE space. And could you share the company's philosophy and principles with us today?
Sure, I'd be happy to. Thanks for asking. It really is a great question. Tony, at CSL, we're driven by our promise to save and improve lives, specifically the lives of people living with rare and serious diseases such as hereditary angioedema. Our commitment to 5 core company values guides the work of our employees every day. The values are patient focus, innovation, integrity, collaboration, and superior performance. These have been fundamental to our success and help us earn and maintain our reputation as a trusted and reliable global biotechnology leader.
Well, it's certainly very noble, and we've known CSL Behring over the years, and it's really great to see those principles being borne out in the day-to-day business. Now, we also recognize that COVID-19 poses significant challenges to doing business. Do you foresee any impact on the continued supply of your HA medicines?
Well, Tony, it's true. COVID-19 really has changed some things. However, safeguarding our people, patients, and donors remains our top priority. As the COVID-19 pandemic continues to evolve, CSL Behring is actively monitoring the situation. The company has activated business continuity plans across our operations all around the world in order to protect our people and prevent disruption in our supply of products to patients. We're closely monitoring and reacting as needed as the situation develops. At this time, CSL Behring continues to provide supply of C1 inhibitor HAE products around the world, and our robust supply chain ensures that critical materials are not single-sourced. Our extensive plasma collection network remains open and operational. During this health crisis and time of great uncertainty, it's not surprising that we have seen some changes in donation patterns. While it's impossible to predict how the pandemic will play out, we're closely watching how the virus is impacting regions and countries around the world. People are becoming more comfortable with social distancing, wearing protective masks, and taking other preventative measures. And as we settle into our new normal, we are optimistic that we will continue to supply the therapies to the patients who need them worldwide.
Well, I think that's going to be very comforting to our patient community that has tuned in today to join us. The other question that I have that comes up from time to time, and I guess it's relevant since we're here at a global patient conference, is how does CSL Behring view the importance of working with patient advocacy organizations?
Well, it's both relevant and important, Tony. Relationships with patient organizations at the global, regional, and local levels are critical to CSL Behring's patient focus. Through strong relationships and active collaborations with advocacy partners, we achieve our mutual goals of increasing public awareness, promoting access to quality medical care, and enhancing support and public policies to address unmet medical needs. As a company committed to delivering life-saving therapies to people living with HAE, we know the enormous impact your organization has had on the HAE community, not only by raising public awareness about the condition, but also in giving a voice to patients and families who, for many generations, previously suffered in silence. Just last year, we were really honored to have you join us as the president and CEO of HAEI and HAEA at our US headquarters in King of Prussia, as well as our research facility in Marburg, Germany. It was important because you were able to reflect on the perspective of the patient journey to our employees, but also to help celebrate the 40th anniversary of our C1 inhibitor replacement therapy. Both events help to educate and inspire the employees who work every day to develop and deliver our HAE products.
Yes, and it was really an honor to be able to interact with all the folks there at CSL Behring who have such an important role in producing these very important medicines. And so we'll wrap it up here by asking you if you could share CSL Behring's vision for HAE in the coming years, including any ongoing clinical trials.
I'd love to, Tony. It's a great topic and something we're very proud of. Thank you for asking. Improving the lives of patients living with HAE has been and continues to be a strategic priority for CSL Behring. We build on the impact we've made in treating and preventing HAE episodes with our C1 inhibitors. We remain committed to innovation in this area, and we're very proud to support the clinical development program for CSL 312, also known as garadacimab. Garadacimab is a factor XIIa inhibitory monoclonal antibody currently in phase 2 development. It's being developed as a new prophylactic treatment for HAE. We look forward to advancing this innovation and will continue to keep our partners informed of program updates and milestones. We know that COVID-19 has posed many challenges to the HAE patient community, and we really do applaud the resiliency you've shown in shifting your in-person patient summit to a virtual one. And we thank you for including CSL Behring in your efforts to continue supporting people living with HAE.
Well, with that, I'd like to thank you very much, Dr. Koenig, for participating here today in our virtual global conference, and also to thank CSL Behring for its historical and longstanding support of the global HAE community. Thank you.